Meaning of grandly.
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 Grandly. Grandly is an adverb used to describe something done in a grand or impressive manner. It implies an element of extravagance, splendor, or impressiveness in the way something is carried out. Activities or events that are done grandly often carry a sense of pomp and circumstance, and are meant to be noticed and admired. Moreover, something done grandly implies that it was done on a large and impressive scale, with no expense spared and no detail overlooked. In short, anything done grandly is meant to be spectacular, awe-inspiring, and memorable.